Look at that view.
That's beautiful. Down here?
Yeah, we'll go down this way. Take you down to the river. There's something really special down here. Just watch, it's really icy. It shouldn't be that bad, like, the whole way. I think this place is privately owned. I don't know the whole story.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Just watch your feet in here.
Gonna trip over anything.
Yep. That's how the trails are up here. They're just rugged. So look at all these cut. Something. Look how much came across this trail. It's all cut.
Looks like it was done by humans like this.
No, but that's my point is, what did it look like before? Why is all this down at one time? You want to see a portal?
Yeah.
Hey, squirrel. It's down by the river. I think we gotta go. I think it's that way. To the left. It's really nice down that way too, though. Cool, right? I walk right in that. In the summer, I'm right in it. Everybody, their dogs, like people bring their dogs down and run through the river. It gets rough down the other end. It gets rougher, but this is a pretty decent strip where it's not too bad. All right. What's on that rock? What is that?
Okay.
A whistle?
Yeah.
With a compass on top? It's weird, ain't it?
Yeah.
Somebody must have dropped it, I guess. I'll just leave it there.
Yeah.
Just careful with the mud. It's just slip, you go down. It don't look like much, but it gets slick. Got it?
Yeah.
Just grab the trees if you can. You alright?
Yep. I think I'm gonna stay here.
Come, I just want to get.
Okay.
Come on, I got you. Alright? I got you. Just use the rocks.
Okay.
Go ahead, use the rocks.
I'm scared I'm gonna fall into the fucking.
You're not, I promise. gift one. Careful. It's just slippery. You okay?
Mhm.
I didn't even think it was much. I didn't even think it was down this far. When you see it, you'll know what I mean. Watch out, there's water down there.
And there's trucks.
Yeah, it's domestic. This is a trail. Like there's been people here, so
Yes,
that's.
you can see the little baby footprints as well. With their kids.
If you're the first one here in the morning or something, then yeah, but here it is.
It's nuts. Oh my lord.
Cool, huh?
Yes. There's not even a word. It's an understatement.
I know. You know how many people walk past this?
How can they not?
I don't. Maybe they do pay attention. I don't know.
You see, if I was in London, in England, say in the countryside, and I saw something like that, if I hadn't seen what you were doing, I wouldn't know,
Yeah.
and I'll just walk straight through, like, you know. Blah, blah, blah.
I questioned it. I remember I questioned it. It's not going back probably a year and a half ago. But I remember saying like, oh, I wonder if it's that. And this tree went down. Next time I was here, I came the next day. That tree went down and another one. Oh, close to it. It was like there was just so much that surrounded it. It's amazing, ain't it?
Absolutely.